Hello everyone, welcome to AI DBA Hub, yeah, Oracle DBA Excellence. In this video, we are going to see Oracle AI Database 26 AI Vector Search feature deep dive, a complete hands-on guide to enabling, configuring, and querying AI Vector Search in Oracle Database 26 AI with live SQL demos, HNSW and IVF index comparison, and full RAG pipeline implementation. So we are going to see complete overview of this video. Oracle 26 AI vector search, HNSW index, IVF index, RAG pipeline, Onyx import. So I have prepared a complete live demo and a complete tutorial for this Oracle AI database 26 AI vector search. So first we are going to see a overview and then complete setup and then live demo and then RAG pipeline and performance observation. So overview perspective, what is Oracle AI vector search? Oracle 26 AI, a native AI in the database end. Oracle AI vector search allows storing, indexing and querying vector embeddings, high dimensional numerical representation of data directly inside Oracle database. No external vector stored needed. Introduced in 23 AI, significantly enhanced in 26 AI with new index types on NX model, import and SQL based AI access via select AI. So first your data, input your data, text, images, documents, product description, customer records, and transfer. Embedding model, Onyx model in DB or external API, OpenAI or Cohera converts data to vector. And query, vector index HNSW or IVF index enable sub millisecond approximate nearest neighbor search. Vector data type, new native data vector dimension format, column type, supports float 32, float 64, int 8 binary formats up to 65 535 dimensions. And vector indexes, HNSW hierarchical navigable small world for high recall ANN search, IVF inverted file for large datasets with lower memory footprints. And then distance metrics, cousin text and semantic equivalent spatial dot underscore product normalized Manhattan hand Hamming binary choose per use cases. And then Onyx models. Import embedding models directly into Oracle using dbms underscore vector dot load underscore annex underscore model. Generate embeddings in database with vector underscore embeddings. And then select AI. Natural language to SQL via LLM. Ask question in plain English against your relational plus vector data without waiting SQL. Finally, RAG pipeline. Build a retrieval augmented generation entirely in Oracle SQL and retrieve relevant context plus generate LLM answer in one single query. So this is all about Oracle AI vector search overview. And for my upcoming video, we are going to see the setup, how to set up by step setup, and then live demo. Each SQL query is involved, and RAG pipelines, how it is working RAG pipelines for the entirely in Oracle SQL. Finally, the performance observation and index comparison. Okay, yeah, keep watching this place for more Oracle AI database 26 AI vector search feature. I'm going to present a presentation to you step by step for my upcoming videos.